How to hide Facebook message preview notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Messenger application on a device and make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. That will give you the access to settings over here. So as you select on settings, scroll down and here under preferences you can see the option of notifications and sounds. So select on that. As you select on notifications and sound, you can just scroll down and here you can see there's no options to hide your preview over here. So what you can simply do is just toggle off the option of notifications and sound and you can just tap on for whichever customized time it is. You can just mute the notifications until over here and then tap on OK. So this is the possible way right now for this one. So that's how you can hide Facebook message preview notification. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.